This drain's been clogged for north of a week, and I've tried multiple name brand drain clears, drain clog removers to no avail. And I had a family member say, well, have you tried cola? And so to avoid any copyright infringement, I'm going to say that I'm using a well-known cola. Comes in a bottle with a red label. That should tell you enough. Anyway, as you can see, I do not have this drain stopped. There it is stopped. There it is open. And it's stopped up. So, here we go. Let's try it. In goes the cola. If this works, I'm never drinking cola again. You can see it's stopped up. There we go. Oh, it is bubbling. Look at that. Goodness gracious. We'll let it settle out. There she goes. And we'll come back when this is empty and try to run some water through it, see what happens. All right, check back in a little bit. And you can see it's all gone. So let's put some water through it and see if it works. Well, it's back to the drawing board. We're back with something new. Piqua, I'm not sure. Heavy duty drain opener. It says it's made in the United States since 1966. And this is actually got lots of serious warnings on it, like danger, poison. Yeah, this is serious stuff. Now, will it work? I don't know. We've been through about 5 other brands of drain cleaner, and we still have a drain issue. Now, if this doesn't work, there's a very good chance we've got something growing through the pipe. Somebody told me this is possible we have roots, but I'm going to give this one last chemical a shot. You can get this at Home Depot, so let's go for it. Let's see what happens. And here is our troublesome drain yet again. Here's that Piqua. So pour it straight in. Woo. I'm nervous. Oh, it's blue colored. Since we got trouble with this drain, it says to put in half of this. We'll go ahead and give it the whole dose. All right. It's all in there. And now we wait. Well, it's back to the drawing board. All right, we're back again. And this is our, I guess we're going to call our final try before calling a plumber. I went to my local cooperative, farmers cooperative, and they have something made by a company called Comstar, C-O-M-S-T-A-R, and it is an acid drain opener. You do not want to get it on your hands, and I definitely am not recommending anybody go pick this stuff up and handle it. Do so at your own risk. It is very acidic. I forgot to shoot a video of me pouring it down the drain. I was kind of nervous even handling the stuff. It comes in a plastic bottle with a foil seal that is in a childproof cap that's inside of a plastic bag that is sealed. That's how serious it is. I'll put an image at the end of the video for you can see what the stuff looks like. so you can see what the stuff looks like. But again, I'm not recommending you to get this stuff, but I'm gonna show you that it works. I have literally gone through half a dozen and even tried the Coca-Cola trick. Half a dozen brands of drain cleaner and a full 2 liter of Coca-Cola, and this drain would not open. Here we go. I kind of know it's going to work already because I listened to it. It smoked, it made noises, and then I heard the drain empty. But just so you know, you saw the standing water, the standing Coke, and here we go. Full blast, hot water. Let's try it. How about that? Before I shot this video, I let it run for 5 minutes. It never stopped. Never stopped up. So, I'm going to go ahead and now put up an image. Comstar. This is the stuff to get. Again, it's very acidic, so I'm not going to give you the instructions to go buy the stuff because I don't want you to get yourself burned. But do know that if you get it, it'll work. If you're at all nervous messing with acid, call a professional, get them to help you with it. But it will clear your drain. Go ahead and throw that image up now. Hope this helps someone. Glad to finally have a working drain. Y'all have a good day.